particular theme or style or whatever. If I enjoy playing it, I like it, you know. And because I mean, of our games, like I said, Hot Hand's my favorite, but not because I particularly care about card themes or anything like that. I just find it. I'm fairly good at playing it, and that's maybe it because I'm not so good at playing most of them. So if they're mean to me, I don't like them. Stars is very mean to me. Doesn't like me at all.
Andrew told me about it once with his too.
What's that? Oh really?
Yeah. He emailed to me, I lost the email.
Who sent you that?
Andrew Cardini.
Oh, Cardini?
Yeah, I've got the tree, I've got the capacitor. I'm
Yeah.
on board it.
Huh.
He put it in the bridge rectifier.
Oh, okay. Beefs it up?
Yeah.
Huh.
Small power, doubles the power.
Okay. That is a good first ball, Anna.
Huh?
That is a good first ball.
And I'm surprised this one's being as nice to me as it is. It must not know that I hate it. Oh, it's alright. I don't mind it so much. It was alright, but I just didn't understand why this particular theme was such a big deal with you guys. So like you said, it's not so much the theme, it's more the memories of, you know, when it come out and that.
Yeah.
It's certainly more enjoyable than Stars.
Mm.